Good morning, traders. Our Peters on January 23rd. Here's a trade on S&P. I would like to show you in this video that every single level you're witnessing in front of you each and every day has exact same structure and exact same identical meaning on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose to trade. This is a bullish trade on S&P that's currently struggling immensely. Absolutely no surprise whatsoever. We expected that S&P will be in pain right here, right now. What is extremely important to remember? This is crucial Fibonacci support. Please take a look. This is junky little chart on S&P that in the course you learn to use as your barometer chart. Take a look at these levels. This level and this one. It is 1 minute chart on S&P, trade in a progress. This is exact same chart on Netflix weekly. This is exact same chart that was present in front of you well before earnings. This is what Phil accomplished on trade on Netflix. Are you surprised? Should not be. It's all the same exact formula. Price action remains the same. If I remove name from the chart, you would not have a clue what chart this is. Will 1 minute chart do exact same thing as Netflix done? Absolutely. 1 minute chart moving in the right direction, just like Netflix had done. Knowledgeable trader moving his stop outside of break-even and respecting this level as his target, as Phil had done on Netflix. That's exactly the reason why I bring up 1 minute chart in front of you each and every day, to show you the accuracy of the method. You cannot ignore. In the course you learn the rules for entry, stop and target. Look at that. 1 minute chart on S&P doing exact same thing as Netflix. Are you surprised? Should not be. Let's walk even more down memory lane. And let's remember, market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Doesn't matter what you trade. Look at that. We all know that bullish rally on S&P had been identified in the trading room years in advance. Look at that. Chart from the room from 2016. Do you remember 1800 number on S&P? This is monthly chart. Look at that. 2800 had been projected for years. Are you surprised? Do you remember this on S&P? The end of the minor trend at 2200? Do you remember how much S&P went through, struggling to break through this level? Do you remember trend inception on weekly chart at 1800? Price blasted through this level and headed higher. It's exact same level right now on S&P. It's this and this. My goodness, is that possible? 1 minute chart is doing exact same thing as S&P weekly and monthly? Your investment chart? Absolutely. It's all the same formula. Do you remember this? This was just few months ago. 2542. Level higher 2800 is present. This is where we are this morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive mathematical sequence present in the market. Every single level you're witnessing in front of you, every single strategy I teach, completely proprietary. Fibonacci is my passion. I love teaching everything I've learned about markets. Students become my dearest friends for life. Doesn't matter if it's a beginner trader, doesn't matter if it's hedge fund manager. Every single one of the screenshots reminding you Fibonacci is predictive. This level been present in front of you for years. Never ignore all you learn in the course and identify for your own investment decisions. Look at that dance. Is it possible oil had done exact same thing? Do you remember this on oil? Chart present in front of you for years. Oil reversal zone. Do you remember oil at 29? Do you remember trend inception on oil? Where is oil now? My goodness! That was trend inception. Reversal zone. That's where oil struggled at famous 55 level. This level is out. A year later it became key support. Are you surprised where buyers stepped in from? Look where oil is now. In massive correction. Only second week in a row. And that's what S&P doing right now. Stuck between this support and this resistance. The exact same thing as famous 55 on oil. Is it possible Euro is doing exact same thing? Absolutely. Remember Euro? 2015? Key support respected. Euro rallied from this level. Remember this on Amazon? Look at that. It's all the same formula, no matter what you trade. I said Amazon is collapsing to 500. Remember Amazon at key support? How did I know that that's where Amazon would rally from? My goodness. Day trading not your cup of tea? Use everything you learn in the course for your long-term investments. That's the reason I run trading rooms, so you can see instantly the accuracy of the method. You don't have to wait for hours, days, weeks, years, and months. 1 minute chart reminding you. It's all the same exact formula. Remember Apple at 91? That was key support. 2016. What did I say Apple will do? Rally to 106 and 111. Where is Apple now? My goodness! Is it possible? Apple skyrocketed. Despite worst earnings in 13 years. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Apple had taken pause at this level. Exact same thing as S&P is done now on 1 minute chart. Do you want to trade with indicators? Do you want to trade on the news? Or do you want to use Fibonacci in price action and trade the only natural predictive tool in the markets? Choice is yours. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you daily. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. I'm extremely proud of the method I developed, and I'm very fortunate to do what I do, as I have very happy graduates globally, from beginner to hedge fund trader, from retiree in Florida to hedge fund manager, in New York, Alabama, Qatar, Sydney, London. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. Fibonacci support respected. Just like Apple had done, just like Euro had done. What a dance! Just like oil had done. And oh yes, let's remember gold, shall we? It never gets old. This is gold. Reversal zone. Gold reversed 2016 multiple times. Reversal zone, gold right now taking a massive pause. And where did the buyers come from in 2016 multiple times? Exact same place as S&P 1-minute chart had done. Are you surprised? I will remove the name from the chart. You would not have a clue what instrument this is. It's all the same formula. End of minor trend is broken, S&P is crashing. And that's what you learn in the course. Rules for entry, stop, and target. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Never ignore this as your target. Never forget to move your stop outside of break-even. And that's what you learn in the course each and every day. Agree on that? Trade number 22 this month. Reached Fibonacci target. Room had been open 27 hours. Clear on that? What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. This is hourly support next. As long as this hourly support is respected, just like Apple had done, just like Euro had done, just like gold had done, buyers in charge as your day trading Fibonacci trend. And that's what you learn in the course. All the information under Learn. All the classes are live. 8-week group course, private mentoring 16. In private mentoring, all the group classes included. 2 days a week in private mentoring booked by hedge funds until 2019. If you're intending to sign up for private mentoring, pretty please give me a call and send me email. I work with your schedule, you work with mine. We work via TeamViewer and Skype. All the classes are live. I'm with students 4 or 5 days a week. Modules only supplemental. Key classes on Monday and Friday. With students I meet pre-market. And most importantly, my favorite part of the website, listen to the graduates of the course, who are my dearest friends for life. From beginner to hedge fund trader in US and globally, trading proprietary Fibonacci method on any instrument, any time frame, from options to stock traders to ETF traders to Forex traders. Choice is yours, what you want to apply the method to. Never hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And pretty please review YouTube channel going back years for accuracy of the method. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a well-deserved break.